Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw and color a monster. We'll use crayons for coloring. Top and from the side and make two marks and join them, forming an inverted U shape. Add the hands of the monster over here and similarly do it at the bottom as well. Next we'll draw its eyes. Make circles over here for the eyes. Add another line next to this circle here. And another circle inside it. And add another line next to that circle as well. Repeat the steps on the other eye too. And now add the nails of the monster over here. Make triangles next to each other and do it on the other hand as well. Now add the third eye for the monster. This eye is bigger in comparison to the other eyes that we made. We'll add the circle and then make a border for it, and then add another circle inside it and then make another border for it. It will be similar to the other eyes that we made. You're drawing the circles, make sure that you have equal spaces in between the circles as well. So maybe use an eraser here and there to make the perfect shape and have the same distance everywhere as well. We'll start drawing the mouth of the monster. Make a line like this across the paper and add another line at the corner and join the two like this. Then over here add the tongue. Add teeth over here as well on either side and two at the middle as well. Draw the double line for the skin here. Once you're done with the picture, start outlining using a black marker. Now we'll start making stars in the background as well. Some bigger, some small, in different sizes, and make sure that you make the pencil light as well, because these stars will be covered with markers using various colors like yellow, orange, and we do not want the black of the graphite to be visible through them. I made the stars and then using the eraser I lightened up the graphite. Now erase all the pencil marks that are present on the monster over here. Once you're done with that, using purple color, start coloring the monster. I'll use the purple color to color the outer line of the eyes and the body and hands of the monster. Make sure that when you're coloring, you're applying enough pressure so that it's dark. I'll slowly move towards the body. When you're coloring, make sure that you're adding strokes in one direction only so that it looks even if the strokes are visible. If the strokes are not visible, then it's a very good. But if they are visible, then try to make sure that all of them are nicely aligned in one direction. Now before starting to color the hand, using pink color, I'll color the border of the monster. I'll make a border using this pink shade here, like this. I'll do it on the other side as well once I'm done with this side. Now here also similarly I will outline using the pink color here. I'll resume coloring the monster with the purple color here. Next again I resume with the pink color and outline the entire monster with it. Using brown color, I will color the outer part of the eye. Then using maroon color, I'm going to color the inner part of the mouth here. I will color the tongue. Now over here, using brown color, color the inner part of the eye, the ring of the inner eye, not the circle that is present there. We'll use black marker for coloring the inner part of the eye and also leave a white dot for the highlight there. Now using sketch pens, make the star over here, outline them and fill color in them as well. I'm coloring some stars in orange while I'll color the other stars in yellow. Now using pink sketch pen, add some dots all over the paper. Next, using blue sketch pen, add some lines like this over here and here as well, randomly, to make the background a little interesting and to make it fun as well. That's it, we are done with our picture.